Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Welcome, welcome sa ating cover songs. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Okay? So, kumusta? Kumusta kayong lahat? Ayan. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Enjoy! Okay. Alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. Outside my door, hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted. My arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do, and I want to tell you so much. I love you. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. To see the sunlight in your hair, and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Welcome, welcome. Happy Sunday, everyone. Enjoy, enjoy. Hello, is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Okay, di ba? But let me start by saying I love you. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much sa palagi niyong suporta sa ating channel. Ayan. So, another song para sa inyo. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating mga kanta. Okay. Another song from Bonnie Tyler. Yun. Thank you. Okay, another song. Para sa inyo. Diana Rose. Helen in Germany, the singing version. that cold stars down from the sky. I wanna live a day that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. Impossible I wanna do. I wanna hold you close under the rain. I wanna kiss your smile until the fade. I know what's beautiful looking at you in a world of lies. You are the truth, and baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. I'll bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. I want to make you see just what I want. Show you the loneliness and what it does. You walk into my life to stop my tears. Everything is easy now. I have you here, and baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. I'll bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark when you tell me that you love me. In a world without you, I'm always hungry. All I need is your love to make me stronger. Oh baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. I'll bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like the diamond when you tell me that you love me. You love me when you tell me that you love me. Thank you so much. Another song para sa inyong lahat. Okay, enjoy. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural thing to do. Tonight no one's Tonight I celebrate my love for you, and soon this whole world will seem brand new. Tonight we will both discover how friends turn into lovers. When I make love to you tonight, I celebrate my love for you, and at midnight sun is gonna come shining through. Tonight, there'll be no distance between us. What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight. Ayan. So, ayan yun. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Another song para sa inyong lahat. Enjoy! When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known, but when I dial the telephone, nobody's home. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna live all by myself anymore. Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure, and love so distant and obscure remains the cure. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy, enjoy. Welcome sa mga bagong pasok dyan. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna live all sa inyo. Okay. Enjoy. Next time sana mag-request kayo para sa ating susunod na unplug this coming Sunday again.
Excited to now.
Ayan. So, enjoy! Once there was a love. Once there was a love. Deeper down in the ocean. Once there was a love filled with such devotion. It was yours and mine. The bold and tears had to be for a lifetime. Then you went away. Oh, once there was a love. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so alone, wondering where I've done wrong. There was a love that will never come again. So let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so alone, wondering where I've done wrong. There was a love that will never come again. So let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. Okay, enjoy, enjoy. Thank you so much sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Enjoy, enjoy lang po tayo. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan. Next song, How Did You Know? Oh, paano ninyo nalaman? Enjoy, enjoy lang po. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. And started to change. I wake up each day in feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my life. You can how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and all the worries and tears that I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Thank you so much sa inyo. Enjoy! Pwede po kayo mag-request para sa next unplug. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? But there's an empty space in my heart. You came to bright my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. The words can't express how much I love you. You, how did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my life. You came to brighten my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and tears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. The words can't express how much I love you. Ayan. Thank you so much sa inyo. No words can express how much I love you. Ayan. Another song. If you ever change your mind, wag naman po. Okay, enjoy. Welcome sa ating unplug for today. Sure, I understand. Of course, I'll be fine. You had a change of plans. Oh well, I'll just change mine. But if it turns out bad, and if your friends get lost, Wag naman po. Di ba? Enjoy, enjoy. I guess I'd better go. You know, I hate goodbye. Let's not drag this out, babe. I'll see you around sometime. And if you ever change your mind and find you with those feelings that you left behind, right? Go, don't look back. Let the heartaches pass. And if you ever change your mind and find you miss those feelings that you left behind, we could give one more try. Some magic place in time. If you ever change your mind. Ayan, if you ever change your mind daw. Okay, so naman po magbago. Another song by Celine Dion. For all those times you stood the for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, babe. You're the one who helped me were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. I saw the best that was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Because you love me. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ayan. So, another song. Okay? So, save the best for last. Helen and Giovanni version lang po, ha? Sorry naman po. Okay, enjoy. Welcome sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sometimes sweet snow comes down in June. Sometimes the sun is round the moon. I see the passion in your eyes. Sometimes it's all a big surprise 'cause you were there when I was in much peace. You tell me that was love. It's not a way I hope I planned, but someone it's enough. And now we're standing face to face. Isn't the world a crazy place? Just when I thought a chance had passed, you go and save the best for last. All of the nights you came to me, when some silly girl had set you free, you wondered how you make it true. I wondered what was wrong with you, 'cause how would you give your love for someone else and share your dreams with me? Sometimes the very thing you're looking for is the one thing you can't see. But now we're standing face to face. Isn't this world a crazy place? Just when I thought your chance had passed, you go and save the best for last. Sometimes the very thing you're looking for is the one thing you can't see. Sometimes the snow comes down in June. Sometimes the sun is round the moon. Just when I thought it had passed, you go and save the best for last. You went and saved the best for last. Ayun, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy. So, yeah. Another song, bago to, mga, ewan ko ilang buwan pa to, pero tatry natin para sa inyo. Okay. Sige. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat dyan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating cover song. Helen, Germany, the singing bird version. The truth is bulletproof. There's no fall in you. I don't risk the same. Me and who you say I was yesterday have gone your separate ways. But my living fast somewhere in the past, cause that's chasing cars. Turns out open bars lead to broken hearts, going you too far. I know I used to be crazy. I know I used to be fun. You say I used to be wild. I say I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me. That's why I had a good fun. I know I used to be crazy because I used to be young. Take one fall without, it's not worth crying about. The things you cannot erase. Like the toes and regrets, words never meant, that once got away. Hey, let my feeling pass somewhere in the past and look around. Turns out crowded rooms, empty as some, there's somewhere out to go. Oh, I know I used to be crazy. I know I used to be fun. You say I used to be wild. I say I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me. There's one ahead of me. I know I used to be crazy. That knows I used to be young. Oh, 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 I know I used to be crazy, messed up, but God must be fun. I know I used to be wild. That's cause I used to be young. When nights are not wasted, I remember everyone. I know I used to be crazy. That cause I used to be young. You tell me I was not changing. That's why I had a good time. I know I used to be crazy. That goes the way to be young. Ayan, I used to be young by Miley Cyrus. And of course, kan my own version lang ha. Yun yung ating mga Helen and Germany version lang po. Okay, last but not the least. Para sa inyong lahat. Okay? Enjoy, enjoy lang po tayo. Anong last song? Simply the best, the best. I call you when I need you, when my heart's on fire. You come to me while and while. When you come to me, give my everything I need. You're the last best. Okay, so thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And of course, happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Sana stay pa rin kayo sa ating mga activities sa ating pag-YouTube. And of course, sa The Singing Sisters with my sister Angel of Labasan. Okay? So, ito na yung last natin. My favorite song ever talaga ito. Okay? So, thank you for the music by ABBA. Kaya magpapasalamat palagi sa mga songs na kahit walang practice, kakantahin natin. I'm nothing special. In fact, I'm a bit of a boy. If I tell a joke, you probably heard before. But I have a talent, a wonderful thing. 'Cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy you're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask it all honestly. What would life be without a song? That's what I mean. So I say thank you for the music, for giving to me. Mother says I was dancing before I could walk. She says I began to sing long before I could talk. And I often wondered how did it all start? We fall down the path that come to our heart like a melody. Will whoever wants to have a fun. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy you're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask it all honestly. What would life be without a song or a dance? What I mean. So I say thank you for the music, for giving. I've been so lucky. I am a girl with black hair. I wanna sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a day. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy you're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask it all honestly. What would life be without a song or a dance? What I mean. So I say thank you for the music, for giving to me. So I say thank you for the music, for giving to me. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Okay, so sa susunod na naman nating cover songs. Maraming salamat. And of course, thank you for loving my channel. And of course, thank you for loving me, di ba? Sa inyong lahat. Kung hindi sa inyo, hindi ako nakarating dito ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat and enjoy. And of course, mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Happy Sunday, everyone. See you. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you all, guys. Mwah.